Now, as I've said before, for your complement to actually occur, it needs your antigen antibody complex to initiate it. Now, for this, it needs your first step of your classic pathway, which is C1. Now, as I've explained, your C1, or rather, the classic pathway is for specific immunity. Now, your immune complex attaches to your C1q, which attaches to either CH3 or CH2, depending on your antibody, whereas it will be CH2 if it's the IgG and CH3 if you're IgM. Now, when this occurs, it leads to the next step of your pathway, which is CH4, which is cleaved by your other polypeptides of your C1, which is C1s, which cleaves it to your inaflatoxin C4a, and C4b. Your C4a will be released into a fluid phase, and your C4b most probably will become a cell-bound cell, which then takes us to our next step, which is your CH2, which is cleaved into inaflatoxins, if I may. Which is cleaved into inaflatoxin C2A and C2B. And like I said, that will be your inaflatoxin, and that will be your cell-bound cell right there. Inaflatoxin, cell-bound. Which then activates a link. Just C2B will activate a link with C4B, which will form that, which will be your C4B to B, which will become a convertase, your C3 convertase, which is your convertase, which also cleaves products into inaflatoxins and cell-bound cells. Now coming back to our pathway, which will then, we were there, your C4B, C4B to B. And then you'll have your C3, which attaches to your C4B portion of that, C4B to B inaflatoxin, or rather, convertase, C3 convertase, which cleaves your C3 into your C3B and C3A inaflatoxin and your cell-bound cell, which then by the use of a factor known as a factor B will give you that C4B to B3B, which is your C5 convertase.